In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order history on Facebook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find every purchase you've made through Facebook Marketplace, whether it's still pending, already shipped, or fully completed. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. This is the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Depending on your device, it can appear at the top or bottom of the screen, but it's the same symbol everywhere. Tap that to open your main navigation. From the menu, choose Marketplace. You'll recognize it by the small storefront icon. This is where all your buying and selling activity on Facebook is organized. If you use Marketplace often, it may also appear as a tab on your home screen, but going through the menu is a reliable route. Inside Marketplace, head to your profile area by tapping your profile icon in the top right. This icon is typically a small circle with your photo or a silhouette. Your profile area is where your personal marketplace activity is grouped together for quick access. Next, select your orders. This is the dedicated section that displays your order history. It's designed to keep things simple and transparent so you can quickly see what's happening with each purchase without digging around. Here, your orders are organized into three clear categories. Pending orders show items you've committed to, but that haven't shipped yet or are awaiting confirmation. Shipped items highlight purchases that are on their way, often with tracking information provided by the seller or shipping service. Completed purchases include everything that's been delivered or finalized, making it easy to reference past orders, confirm delivery dates, or review what you've bought. As you browse, tap into an individual order to view more context, like timestamps, item details, and any updates from the seller. This is especially helpful if you're waiting on an item or need to verify what was included in a purchase. If something looks unfamiliar, double-check the item description and messages associated with that order to stay informed. If the icons or layout look slightly different on your device, don't worry, that's normal. Facebook updates the interface from time to time, but the path remains consistent. Menu, Marketplace, profile icon, then your orders. That's the quickest, most reliable way to review your order history.